When it comes to understanding the profound message of Matthew 12 verse 50, one must delve deeper into the words spoken by Jesus Christ himself. This verse, often overlooked amidst the numerous teachings of the Bible, holds a powerful message about the importance of embracing a divine sense of belonging. Through unraveling the deeper meaning and exploring the significance of Matthew 12 verse 50, we can discover the transformative power it holds in our lives. Unraveling the deeper meaning, exploring Matthew 12:50's message. Matthew 12 verse 50 states, "For whoever does the will of my Father in heaven is my brother and sister and mother." At first glance, this verse might seem straightforward, but upon closer examination, we find a profound truth about our connection with the divine. Jesus is emphasizing that true belonging comes not from blood ties, but from aligning our actions and desires with the will of God. It is a reminder that our spiritual family extends beyond our earthly relationships and that our ultimate purpose lies in fulfilling God's plan for our lives. This verse challenges us to reflect on the nature of our belonging. Are we solely seeking approval and acceptance from our immediate family or friends? Or are we opening our hearts to embrace a broader community centered around a shared devotion to God's will? Matthew 12 verse 50 invites us to redefine our concept of belonging and find solace in knowing that our true family extends far beyond the earthly realm. Furthermore, Matthew 12 verse 50 reminds us that our identity is not solely defined by our human relationships or societal labels. Instead, we are called to embrace our identity as children of God. This understanding allows us to break free from the constraints of worldly expectations, finding our worth and purpose in our connection to something greater. By aligning our will with God's, we can experience a deep sense of belonging that transcends earthly limitations. Finding our place in the divine plan, embracing belonging in Matthew 12 verse 50. Matthew 12 verse 50 challenges us to find our place in the grand narrative of God's plan. It reminds us that our actions have consequences, not only for ourselves, but for the greater community of believers. By embracing the divine sense of belonging, we recognize that we are part of a larger whole, united through our shared dedication to following God's will. Embracing belonging in Matthew 12 verse 50 also means recognizing that we are not alone in our spiritual journey. We have a spiritual family that supports and encourages us along the way. Through our shared devotion to God, we find strength and solace in knowing that we are connected to a community that shares our beliefs and values. This connection fosters a sense of belonging that can provide us with comfort and guidance throughout life's challenges. Ultimately, Matthew 12 verse 50 urges us to prioritize our relationship with God above all else. By doing so, we can experience the profound sense of belonging that comes from aligning our will with His. This verse calls us to reevaluate our priorities, to let go of worldly attachments, and to fully embrace our place in God's divine plan. In the often chaotic and disconnected world we live in, the profound message of Matthew 12 verse 50 offers a guiding light. It encourages us to look beyond our immediate relationships and seek a deeper sense of belonging in our connection with God and His will. By unraveling the deeper meaning and embracing the message of Matthew 12 verse 50, we can find solace, purpose, and a profound sense of belonging that transcends earthly boundaries. Let us open our hearts and minds to this divine invitation, embracing the transformative power of belonging in God's grand narrative. Please like and subscribe for more content. Full videos are on our channel. Thank you.